Hello and welcome. Today I want to share something special, a project created for women like you. Women with families, women with dreams, and women ready to start a new chapter in life. We know the world is changing fast. Artificial intelligence, new technologies, it can feel overwhelming. But what if, instead of feeling left behind, you could learn how to use these tools step by step to improve your life and create real opportunities? That's exactly what we're building with Team Builder Pro and MedClub Pro. We designed a simple system built on 5 pathways that matter most to your life. Real estate, learning how to buy, rent, or invest for your family's future. Education, gaining knowledge and sharing what you know with others. Business, starting your own project or side income, supported by a team. Personal growth, building your confidence, leadership and voice. Travel and culinary, turning your passions for discovery, food, and culture into opportunities. The best part? You're never alone. You'll build alongside other women, a true team that supports you, encourages you, and grows with you. And you'll do it with modern tools, explained in a simple, clear way, always adapted to your daily life. This is more than just training. It's a movement. It's a way to turn your dreams into reality and to show your children that with courage, learning, and teamwork, anything is possible. So, are you ready to begin this journey with us? Visit us today at teambuilderpro.joe.business or medclubpro.joe.solutions.